Hi, I'm Zet. It's by AM right now. I wake up early to collect duck eggs. My farm has over 3,000 ducks. As I said in the last video, these ducks roam the fields, eating bugs and leftover rice after harvest. All natural, no machines, no fancy tech, and it doesn't cost much to raise them. I collect eggs early because ducks lay the most around this hour. If I'm late, thousands of ducks will run everywhere. They step on the eggs, make them dirty, and once dirty, the price goes down. Now it's 8 a.m. The sun is up already. This is the countryside where I live. My ducks left the coop early this morning. They're hungry, so they find their own food: bugs, snails, leftover grains in the field. Once they're full, they waddle to the pond, take a bath, and relax in the cool water. That's their routine. No stress, no force feeding, just nature doing its job. Now it's noon. The truck has arrived, the one that buys duck eggs in bulk from my farm. Every 2 or 3 days, they come by loading thousands of eggs into the back. Then they drive all the way to the city, a place far from this quiet village. You see all these eggs and it looks like a lot, but the price is still low. 1,000 duck eggs, less than $100 US. Can you believe that? At first, I couldn't either. But living this life, you start to understand we don't get to set the price. Farmers work hard, but the market, it's unstable. Still, I keep going, because at least every egg I sell is clean, natural, and honest. I shared a short story about how we harvest and produce duck eggs on my farm. Subscribe to Zet Ducks. More peaceful, simple videos are coming soon. Bye for now.